Welcome to the presentation mastery course. I'm so pumped and excited to have you here. I also want to say thank you for trusting me to walk you through this journey of learning presentation skills. Right now I feel like I have an obligation, right? My obligation is to help you master presentation skills, and I have a plan on how I intend to achieve that goal. Okay, so this is just an intro video. Just want to walk you through how this course is going to be, who is going to be working with you on this journey to learning presentation skills. So just see this video as an orientation video, okay, just to get you started on being effective with this course. So presentation skills is one skill that is very essential especially in a computer and digitalized world. So there are different things you can do with presentation skills, and we're going to be discussing more about that. Okay, now before you get started on presentation, there is a best place for you to start. Now what I want to let you know is that presentation is not a beginner level skills when it comes to computer literate. When it comes to having computer skills, presentation is not a beginner level, it's more of an advanced level. Okay, so when they say are you computer illiterate, if you hope to beat your chest and reply yes, I'm computer illiterate, and be able to prove it, you need to first of all understand computer fundamentals. Okay, and that's what the computer appreciation course deals with. This is whereby you get to understand the concept of computer, different form, size, and how computer works, and also how to perform basic tasks within a computer environment, your windows, how to use the keyboard, mouse. Okay, so this is the best place for you to start. So if you are going through this course, you have not attended a computer class before, you don't understand the basic computer, maybe you are smart with your smartphone and you think okay, you can just cope with it, or maybe you think that the presentation course is supposed to walk you through on how to use computer. Actually it's not supposed to, but I'm offering this as a bonus for you to make sure you are equipped with the right basic skills to get the best out of this course. So you need the computer fundamental course to be able to get the best out of this course. Also internet and web blueprints. Now when it comes to computer illiterate, this is like the beginner level, and internet and web is like the intermediate level of computer literate. So you need to understand all these things. You need to understand how computer works. Then you also need to understand how to use the computer to connect to the internet. Even in this course, there is a module that is going to be dealing with the tools that requires internet to be able to use it. So in that level, we also need to understand the internet. Now a lot of people use the internet, they don't understand how it works and all that, and this is actually one of the reasons most people don't make the most of the online world. So in the internet and the web blueprint, you're going to understand the concept of the internet and also how to use the internet. So once you go through this course, you are ready for this class, and I want to offer you this course for free. You don't have to pay any other extra fee to access this course, because I committed to helping you master presentation skills, and this is one of my plans to doing that. So if you don't have basic computer skills at all, you have not attended computer class before, or you have not even come across computer, but you have one, probably you have been using it to watch movies and all that, that is not all you need to know about your computer. There are more things you need to understand. It's this understanding that is going to enable you make the most of it. So if you don't have the basic computer literacy knowledge and skills, I want you to go over and access this course on my learning management system, Digital Top Notch Academy. So if you go there, you'll be able to find the computer appreciation course as a free, so you can access it. Then the internet and the web blueprint, look at it. If you look below this this video you're watching, you'll find a coupon code that you can use to access this course for free. Take it as a bonus from me. Access this course and go through them so that you'll be equipped with the right skills to follow through this course. Now what I want you to do is to complete this intro video. Okay, once you complete this video, then go over and access this course and start with them. Once you are done with these courses, then come over and continue with this course. But if you are watching this, you are computer literate, probably you have even attended computer class before, just that probably you have forgotten some of the things and you just want to refresh and all those stuff, then you probably don't need these courses. Just follow through and continue with this course after this intro video. Okay, so with that said, let's get to know your instructor, who is going to be walking you through this course, who is going to be working with you on this journey to mastering presentation skills. And this is me. My name is Emmanuel Nyewuchi, aka Chuksima. I'm an ex-computer instructor turned internet marketer, and also the founder of Digital Top Notch Academy, which is probably where you are going through this course. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people optimize digital tools and resources. This is my big goal. I feel like a lot of people are not optimizing digital tools to the best benefit. Individuals are not optimizing it. Business owners, entrepreneurs, these tools are creating a lot of opportunity for us, and for some people, it's actually a whole lot of distraction and unproductive element in their life. So this is actually the bigger goal Data Top Notch Academy is set out to tackle. Okay, so I want to also let you know that Data Top Notch Academy is not an institute. We are community made up of individuals, entrepreneurs, professionals, coach, trainers who are committed and resilient in optimizing digital tools and resources to create impact in the world and also create a life of freedom for themselves. It's possible goal, it's possible mission, and we are very positive that we can achieve it, especially like people like you coming into this community who is committed to learning, growing, and optimizing available tools and resources that is out there for them. Okay, so you can learn more about me on my blog at digitaltopnotch.com. I share tips, guides, strategies, and concepts on online business, digital marketing, and lifestyle. So you can go over to my blog to learn more about me and also subscribe to my newsletter so you'll be up to date with what is happening and the new things we are releasing on the platform. Okay, so that is basically it about me. So earlier on I said I'm an ex-computer instructor. So that was actually intentional. This is just to point it to you that you are dealing with someone who has actually taught tens and hundreds of people how to use computer in a classroom experience. So be rest assured that you're dealing with someone with a practical experience to help you understand this case you're about to learn. Okay, so earlier I mentioned that I have a plan to helping you master presentation skills, and here is it. One is that you need to understand that learning new skills is all about mindset. Okay, a lot of people will sign up for this course, they will not go through it. Probably they are busy for whatever reason. But so if you have actually thought through and made up your mind to sign up for this course, I want you to follow through it. I want you to complete it, because this is the only way I can help you master presentation skills. Okay, the video classes that you did not watch will not help you. Okay, also the guides and concept and strategies that you did not listen to will not help you. I've actually created a comprehensive lessons that is going to help you learn the ins and outs of presentation softwares, but if you don't go through them, you will not be able to make the most of it. So you need to be committed, you need to be determined to learn this course. It's not all about the excitement of signing up for the course. The only thing that is going to help you master this case when you actually decide and commit to going through this course to the end. Okay, so that is one plan to helping you master presentation skills. Understand that it's more about commitment and determination to learning this case. Okay, and that thing is that I'm going to help you understand the concept of presentation softwares. Then also we are going to look at some basic tips on how you can design and also deliver presentation. These are the basic concepts you need to understand. Now my next plan is I'm going to help you understand the top 2 presentation application softwares out there. So I believe if you understand these 2 presentation softwares, you'll be able to deal with any presentation softwares you come across, because you'll be able to understand the concept, the fundamentals of presentation softwares, and also how to find commands in this environment. This basic understanding is what you need to deal with any presentation softwares you come across today. So these are the plans I have to helping you master these presentation softwares, and by your commitment and determination, I believe we are going to come out successful with it. Okay, so how do you get the best out of this course? Simply go through all the lessons. Okay, don't skip any lessons. Don't say, okay, I feel like I have idea about this, then you skip. Okay, just go through the lessons. There might be probably guides or tips or something you can learn from every video that is contained in this course. Also take notes. I recommend you get a notebook and a pen. Jot things down. Okay, you can just steps, just concepts. Taking steps can actually help you follow through when you are trying to practicalize everything you're going to be learning in some of the practical classes. Okay, and that thing is to take action steps. Okay, practice. Now you can learn and read, watch all videos you like in the world. Go. If you don't take action steps, those you're learning will not be permanent. You will not be able to solidify them into your mind. So I recommend that you take action steps. So practice each lesson stacks. Okay, at the end of each lessons, I'm going to be telling you, okay, I'll go over and take action steps. Do what you watch me do in the class or in the video. So this is the only way I know that you can be able to master presentation skills. There is this formula I used to talk about, expert formula. Okay, have you ever wondered how anybody became experts in anything? If you are, now I want you to have like a self-examination. If you are good at anything, let's say skills or activities, how did you get to become expert in that? You can also think of any expert out there, you know. How do you think they become expert in their dealings in what they do? Okay, it's simply with this golden triangle, what I call expert formula. It's simply this: you learn, you do, you teach. So this is how everybody out there becomes expert in any subject you can think of. This is how they become expert in what they do. And this is also the same formula I want you to apply in this course. This is how you can be able to master this case. This is how you can be able to become expert. Okay, learn, do, teach. Now a lot of people will say, okay, what if I don't want to teach? But if you want to be known as presentation expert, you need to teach it, because it's when you share what you know that we get to know, okay, this guy really knows about this, and we can now assume you as an expert. But even though you don't want to be known publicly as an expert, I recommend that you learn, do. Okay, you can't ignore this. You can learn. That will not actually make you effective with any tools, including presentation tools. So once you learn and do, okay, and if you have the opportunity to teach it, please do. It's going to actually transform your life, I can tell you, because when you are learning something that you want to learn to teach, it comes with different kind of focus, with different kind of commitment, because you're going to be giving attention to details, because you don't want to miss anything. Teaching, the intention, the vibe to want to teach will also force you into learning more and more, and you learn, you do, you teach. Before you know it, any skills becomes like a cakewalk for you. So this is applicable both in learning PowerPoint presentation tools, or learning any tools out there, or learning any skills out there. They are applicable, and I really want you to apply it while going to this course. Learn, do, and if you have the opportunity, please teach it. Teach it to your siblings, teach it to your children, teach it to your friends and families. Any opportunity you have to do, teach that. It's going to solidify everything you're going to be learning and make you more competent. Okay, so basically that is it for this video. Like I said earlier, the best way to get the best out of this course is to be committed to learning this case, go through all the lessons, take action steps. I promise you, if you follow through this plan, you'll come out being effective with presentation tools. Okay, so basically that is it for this intro video. I hope you are ready now to start learning presentation skills. Okay, so if you are ready, let's get into it.